everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury. Welcome to my channel. It's my daily vlog, so whatever I'm up to is what you're gonna see. And today, we found a pig farm. We've never been here before, and they have lots of piggies. So we're gonna go explore with the piggies. Look at these little piggies. Hello, little piggy. Oink. Oink, oink.
They sound like
Wink. Wink.
Yes.
Aww. Oh, you're eating some grass? Look at you eating grass. Oink. Oinky oink. Yeah. Oh. Where are you going? Hi. Oink. Oink. Hello. You sniff my hand? You sniff? You sniffs. Hello. Hello. You are a fluffy looking pig. You are so fluffy looking. Yeah. Is that good grass? Yeah. The noises these pigs make are great. Their oinks are fantastic. Oh, they have a little shady area. It is hot out today. I'm glad they have a shady area. And this is where I'm at, the Long Island Kunekune, breeder of heritage pigs. This is where we're at. Trying to walk to the next pig area, and this guy's following me. He says, be my friend. Oh, you have a big friend over there. Listen to him. Oink, oink. Listen to that oinking. Hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet all of you. Let's come down here and say hello. Yeah, hello. You guys are gorgeous. Yeah, hello. Oh, hello there. I have a whole bunch of pig friends. I wonder if you guys have names. There's the next piggy area. What do they like doing?
Rolling in the mud.
Rolling in the mud. They look like they're standing in the mud. Oh, that one's splashing. He's like, I'm going to get you. I'm going to get mud on you. Why'd he get mad?
I don't know. There's other pigs.
My mom is saying this pig over here was mad.
Very bad noises.
Well, he seems chill now.
Yeah, because nobody's bothering him. And he's much bigger. Could it be a pregnant pig? No.
Then he's not a he pig.
Oh, yeah. Good point. No, he's probably with the alpha. Gets the spot.
Hello. Hello down there. You found some leaves to nibble on, huh? Okay, I'm going to keep walking and we're going to look at more pigs because there's a whole bunch of different like paddocks. So there's a few different sets of piggies. So let's find the next set of piggies. Oh yeah, there is a big pig over there. Let me see if I could see him. See the pig? He's chilling in the shade over there. I was going to see this pig who is like resting in a mud puddle. I'm gonna go visit the mud puddle pig. That is how you stay cool on a hot day when you are a pig. Hello, pig. Hello there. That is the way to stay cool. You found a shady spot. You're in a mud puddle. I mean, life is good. Life is good. Hello.
So cute, right?
Hello there. How you doing? See, this pig is under his shady thing. See, he has a big shade. And he's just chilling in the shade. Hey there. How are you? What are you up to? Pig things? I mean, do you want to tell me about pig things? Because I don't really know what pig things are. Oh, snorting. Snorting is a pig thing. I would agree. What you got? You got some greenery? You got some nibbles? Yeah. They're so little. Oh my gosh. Oh, where are they going? Like we're gonna go to the middle. Hello, pig. Hello. Are you one of the pregnant pigs we heard of? Hello. Let me come down here. Yes, we heard you're going to be a mama soon. Yeah. Hello. I don't have foods though. I'm sorry.
That's pretty cool. A deer just sitting there.
My mom seems to have found more pigs. Hello, pigs. Hello there.
Hi there.
Where are you guys roaming? Yeah, hi. Hello. Hello there. Oink. 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 Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Yeah. It was very nice to meet you. It was very, very nice to meet you. Yeah, I am very pleased to have met your acquaintance. So I was so excited at the pig farm, I totally forgot to wrap up the video and film an outro. Those pigs were so adorable. They were called the Kunekune, or maybe Coom type of pig. And except for the piggies in the shed, they were not babies. So even the small pigs were not piglets, except for the ones in the shed. And those little piglets, they were only 3 days old. 3 days old. So I felt so lucky to be able to see such baby piglets. They were so adorable and sweet. And the owners of the farm take such good care and really love these pigs. And they're available as pets if you have like open yard space. Like how wonderful is that? And it's just, you can just come and visit the pigs. So it was such a good day. It was really hot, but it was so enjoyable. I really, really love animals and really felt so lucky to be able to share an afternoon with those pigs. So with that, I'm done. I'll see you all tomorrow. And until then, stay inspired by everyone. Take care.